In this video, we're going to look at 4 scenarios that involve fractional exponents. Scenario 1, we have a negative exponent or index. They mean the same thing. They have the same meaning. Negative 4/5. Never leave a negative exponent. This is the root. This is the index. Do the root first. What times itself times itself times itself times itself is 243. 1/81 is the solution. Next one. When we multiply indices, we just add them. Well, you know how to add fractions. You need a common denominator. Now, just add your fractions. And we have our solution. Scenario number 3. Whenever you divide exponents, you subtract them. Well, you know how to subtract fractions, right? No problem. We have our common denominator, and now we just subtract. 15/16 minus 4/16 is 10 to the 11/16. Now these rules that I mentioned only work if your bases are the same. Notice our bases are n's here, and we could subtract them. When we come over here, our bases are not the same. So what do? We just have to do a little manipulation. 2 to the 3rd is 8. 2 to the 4th is 16. So we can easily get our bases to be the same, and then we can just subtract them. So I'm going to make this 2 to the 3rd raised to 3/4 over 2 to the 4th raised to the 1/12. Now we use the power rule. Remember the power rule, you multiply. 3/1 times 3/4 is 9/4. So now we have 2 to the 9/4 over 2 to the 4/12. Now the rest, we're just subtracting fractions. We need a common denominator. So now we have 2/27 over 12 over 2 to the 4/12 equals 2 to the 23/12.